Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how to remove watermarks in Google Gemini. Like this image is generated by Google Gemini and it leaves a watermark at the bottom left. So how do we remove this watermark? So in order to do that, first of all head to Chrome. In Chrome search for Google Gemini watermark cleaner. Now tap enter. Now go to this website. Now tap on start with photos and choose your file. Now tap on free download. Now go to your gallery and see the results. As you can see, I don't have any watermarks here. This was original image with watermark and this is the after result. So in this way you can easily remove any watermarks in any image you create with the help of Google Gemini. Thank you for watching this video guys.